Here are 15 places you must visit before you leave this world. 1. Christmas in New York. 2. Cherry blossom season in Japan. 3. Summer on the French Riviera. 4. Autumn in Edinburgh, Scotland. 5. Winter in the Swiss Alps. 6. Whale watching in Iceland. 7. The Northern Lights in Norway. 8. The Pyramids of Giza.